Okay, we're gonna get some tomato. Should I put some onion? No, I won't do onion today. Some cilantro. Okay, we're gonna get prepping. We're gonna start doing the thing. Kate, what are you eating cereal on stream? Never, Bart, even though there's literally 5 million things of cereal in the background because of you. So maybe one day I'll actually just have to do a cereal eating stream. Maybe one day. Okay, that's that. Have my wraps. I have spinach wraps, spinach herb wraps. I was trying to get normal wraps yesterday in the store, but they didn't have any. So we just went with the spinach ones. It is what it is. I'm from USA. Oh, hells yeah. I'm from Ireland, but I live in Texas now. I moved to Texas back in January. I love cereal. Lebby, what's your favorite type of cereal? We literally have so many in the background because of Bart. Bart loves his cereal too. Need the options. You need the options for cereal. Don't encourage this. Okay, Dusty, I was actually saying to Bart if he would like me to make a cookie that had cereal in it because he loves cereal so much. I was like, would you like me to make like a Fruit Loop cookie or something like that? And you know what this man said? This man said that would be too much. And I'm just like, what the heck? You literally love cereal more than anything. Sugar on my sugar hells, yeah. Like, fuck. Oh God. But I was just like, would it not be good, like? I think that's enough tomato. I'm going to prep up the other half though. I just put it in a little container and put it in the fridge. Lads, we were at Sam's Club and they had lobster tails. But they were like $160 for 6 of them, I think. I get a lobster back home fresh for €15. I'm willing to try it for science. Say less, just do it. Don't tell him the ingredients. Easy, easy. Just don't tell him what's in it. Hey, babe, is this a Fruit Loop? No. No. Your eyes deceive you, good sir. Lads, I used to really love doing English accents. You know how people sing in the shower? I talk in accents in the shower. Perfect, Avo. Perfect, Avo. It's a great day. Look at her. Look at her. Who is she? Sis needs to drop her skincare routine. Stat. She's glowing. She's gorgeous. Good Avo to pit ratio on that one. I get lobster off the dock in town for $6. You're joking me. That is so cheap. You know, for some reason that doesn't surprise me at all. I'll be in the shower and I'll just be like, Pantene leave-in conditioner. Like, I'll just be in the shower reading the back of things. The pit won't come out. Come on, baby. There we go. Now that looks like a good pick. I know. What's your favorite US accent? I like Minnesota. Minnesota. The Minnesota accent is just insane to me. We know all the tea now. All the tea. All the tea. I do like English accents though.
Hi, welcome to Chile.
Thanks, Wolf. Thank you for that follow. I do